Crochet 10 is the perfect answer for those littler mouths. You see his lovely woven material all the way around him. Just give it a little spin there. And he has this lovely little 3D ribbon collar around him. Such cute little embroidered features. And the crochet fabric means that, you know, they can really sink their teeth into it, and it's going to really help with those dental cleaning properties. Just look at how tiny he is in the palm of my hand, if I just show you that. So sweet. You can find it online at PetLondon.com or from our London showroom.